Hi, my little friends. Today we are going to learn farm animals. Farm animals. Let's see what kind of animals are farm animals. Oh, see who is coming. Hello, I am a horse. People ride me to relax. It is time to know more. Let's spell with me. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Hey kids, look, they are cows. Hi, we are cows. People always drink our milk. Repeat after me. S-W, cow. Look, next animals look happy. They are sheep. We are sheep. People sell our wool and eat our meat. Repeat after me. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Our next friend is chicken. Hi, kids. I am a chicken. People usually eat my eggs and meat. Let's spell my name with me. S-H-I-S-K-E-N. Chicken. Great job, kids. Look there, our new friend. They are geese. Let's ask about themselves. Hi, children. How are you? We are geese.
We are good swimmer. People usually eat our eggs and meat. I think you should spell my name with me. If you're ready, let's start.
G. S.
Geese.
Kids, you should recall appearance and name of farm animal. Horse. Next animal is cow. Cow. Next animal is sheep. Sheep. Next one is chicken. Chicken. Last one is geese. Geese. Now you know farm animals. Thank you for your attention.